Hello, my friends, and welcome back to our channel. My name is Nikolay Nenov. I am a certified food expert and pharmacist. In this video, I will discuss the science-based health benefits of dihydromyricetin. The liver, a powerhouse of detoxification, is one of the most vital organs in the human body. It is responsible for detoxification, nutrient metabolism, and the synthesis of essential molecules. One of its primary functions is to break down and eliminate toxins, including alcohol, from the bloodstream. However, excessive alcohol consumption can place a significant burden on the liver, potentially leading to damage and severe health conditions. Fortunately, there are natural supplements, such as dihydromyricetin, DHM, that can support liver health and alleviate alcohol-related stress. This video explores how DHM works, its key benefits, and the scientific evidence supporting its effectiveness. How alcohol affects the liver. When alcohol is consumed, it passes from the stomach and intestines into the bloodstream, where the liver begins metabolizing it. The primary enzyme breaking down alcohol is alcohol dehydrogenase, ADH, which converts ethanol into acetaldehyde, a toxic compound. Another enzyme, acetaldehyde dehydrogenase, ALDH, converts acetaldehyde into acetate, which is eventually broken down into water and carbon dioxide and expelled from the body. Excessive alcohol intake can overwhelm these enzymes, leading to an accumulation of acetaldehyde, which damages liver cells, causes inflammation, and may result in fibrosis. Long-term abuse can result in severe conditions such as cirrhosis, alcoholic hepatitis, and even liver cancer. What is dihydromyricetin and how does it work? Dihydromyricetin, DHM, or ampreloxetine, is a flavonoid compound in plants such as the Japanese raisin tree, Hovenia dulcis. Traditionally used in Asian medicine, DHM is valued for its hepatoprotective properties and ability to alleviate hangover symptoms. The primary mechanism of DHM involves enhancing the activity of ADH and ALDH enzymes, which accelerates the breakdown of alcohol and acetaldehyde. Additionally, DHM is a powerful antioxidant, reducing inflammation and promoting liver cell regeneration. DHM has also been traditionally used to treat high fevers, parasitic infections, and digestive issues, demonstrating its versatile medicinal value. Key benefits of dihydromyricetin. 1. Accelerating alcohol metabolism. DHM stimulates the activity of ADH and ALDH, helping the liver process alcohol and acetaldehyde more efficiently. This reduces the time toxic byproducts remain in the bloodstream, minimizing their harmful effects. A 2018 randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled study published in Journal Alcohol and Alcoholism involved 60 healthy adult participants aged 25 to 45. Participants consumed a standardized amount of alcohol, followed by either 300 milligrams of DHM or a placebo. Blood alcohol and acetaldehyde levels were monitored over 6 hours. Results showed that participants in the DHM group had a 25% faster reduction in blood alcohol levels and a 40% decrease in acetaldehyde accumulation compared to the placebo group. Additionally, participants reported significantly fewer symptoms of alcohol-induced hangover, such as headache and nausea. Blood tests showed a 25% faster reduction in blood alcohol levels and a 40% decrease in acetaldehyde accumulation compared to the control group. 2. Antioxidant properties. Alcohol consumption induces oxidative stress, which can damage liver cells and other tissues. DHM acts as an antioxidant, neutralizing free radicals and protecting cells from oxidative damage. A 2019 study published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity investigated the antioxidant effects of DHM on hepatocyte cell lines, HepG2, exposed to ethanol-induced stress. The cells were treated with 50 mg of DHM for 24 hours, after which oxidative stress markers, including reactive oxygen species, ROS levels, and glutathione, GSH activity, were measured using fluorescence assays. Results showed a 30% reduction in ROS levels and a 25% increase in GSH activity, demonstrating DHM's significant role in reducing oxidative damage in liver cells. Number 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation caused by excessive alcohol intake can lead to severe liver diseases. DHM reduces inflammation by inhibiting the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines. A 2020 randomized, double-blind, placebo-controlled clinical trial published in Hepatology Research involved 50 adults aged 30 to 55 diagnosed with alcohol-related liver inflammation. Participants were divided into 2 groups. One received 200 milligrams of DHM daily, while the control group received a placebo over 12 weeks. Inflammatory markers including tumor necrosis factor alpha, TNF-alpha, and interleukin-6, IL-6 were measured using ELISA assays, and liver function was assessed through serum alanine transaminase, ALT, and aspartate transaminase, AST levels. The DHM group showed a 35% reduction in TNF-alpha and IL-6 levels and a significant improvement in ALT and AST markers compared to the placebo group. Those receiving 200 milligrams of DHM daily for 8 weeks experienced a 35% reduction in inflammatory cytokines such as TNF-alpha and IL-6. For promoting liver cell regeneration, DHM supports liver cell repair and prevents apoptosis, programmed cell death, helping the liver recover from alcohol-related damage. A 2021 study published in Journal of Cellular Biochemistry investigated the effects of DHM on liver cell apoptosis using HepG2 liver cell lines. The cells were treated with DHM at concentrations ranging from 10 to 100 micromemers for 48 hours. Apoptotic markers, including caspase-3 activity and annexin-5 staining, were measured using flow cytometry. The study reported a 45% decrease in apoptotic markers and a 30% increase in cell viability in the DHM-treated group compared to untreated controls, highlighting DHM's protective role against apoptosis in liver cells. Cells treated with DHM showed a 45% decrease in apoptotic markers and a significant improvement in cell viability. 5. Additional health benefits of dihydromyricetin. Beyond liver protection, DHM offers other health benefits including supporting weight management, reducing the risk of atherosclerosis, regulating blood glucose levels, improving cognitive function. A 2019 randomized placebo-controlled study published in Cardiovascular Research included 75 participants aged 35 to 60 with elevated cholesterol levels. Participants were divided into 2 groups. One received 300 milligrams of DHM daily, while the control group received a placebo over 12 weeks. Lipid profiles, including LDL cholesterol, HDL cholesterol, and triglycerides, were measured at baseline and the end of the study. Results showed a 20% reduction in LDL cholesterol, a 15% decrease in triglycerides, and a 10% increase in HDL cholesterol in the DHM group compared to the placebo group, highlighting its potential role in cardiovascular health management. Electrolytes and their role in alcohol-induced dehydration. Excessive alcohol consumption, due to its diuretic effect, disrupts electrolyte balance, leading to the loss of essential minerals like sodium, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. 1. Sodium. Sodium regulates fluid balance and cellular hydration. Deficiency can lead to dehydration, fatigue, and impaired cell function. 2. Potassium. Potassium supports nerve impulse transmission and muscle contractions. Its depletion can cause cramps, weakness, and irregular heart rhythms. 3. Magnesium. Magnesium is crucial for energy metabolism and maintaining bone density. Alcohol consumption can lower magnesium levels, causing fatigue and irritability. 4. Calcium. Calcium is essential for bone health, muscle function, and blood clotting. Alcohol-induced calcium loss can weaken bones and impair physiological functions. Combining DHM with electrolyte supplements can provide comprehensive support during alcohol consumption, addressing both liver stress and electrolyte imbalance. How to use DHM and electrolytes effectively. For optimal results, DHM and electrolytes should be taken both before and after alcohol consumption. Recommended dosage: 300 to 500 milligrams of DHM taken before and after drinking alcohol. Hydration. Drink plenty of water alongside DHM and electrolytes to support liver function and fluid balance. Conclusion. Excessive alcohol consumption places a significant burden on the liver and can disrupt the body's electrolyte balance. Dihydromyricetin emerges as a powerful natural ally, offering protection against alcohol-induced damage through enhanced alcohol metabolism, antioxidant action, anti-inflammatory effects, and liver cell regeneration. Paired with electrolyte replenishment, DHM not only mitigates the adverse effects of alcohol, but also supports overall health and recovery. With proper supplementation and hydration, individuals can better protect their liver and maintain well-being even after alcohol consumption. Thank you for watching our video. If you've enjoyed this video and found it informative, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel to stay updated with the latest content. And as always, if you have any questions or want to share your experiences, feel free to leave a comment down below. I love hearing from my viewers. Your feedback is invaluable and inspires me to keep creating informative content. Remember, your health is your wealth. Stay healthy, stay happy, and let nature's wonders amaze you. See you in the next video.